Welcome to Auto Turbowheels, where today we're diving into one of the most anticipated luxury icons of the future, the 2026 Mercedes Maybach SL Mythos series. If you think you've seen peak luxury from Mercedes before, prepare yourself, because the Mythos series is rewriting the definition of elegance, performance, and exclusivity in a way the automotive world has rarely witnessed. The Maybach SL Mythos is more than just a car, it's a rolling piece of art, a symbol of prestige designed for those who demand something beyond ordinary luxury. Mercedes has taken inspiration from its long history of producing grand tours, but this model steps into an entirely new dimension. It combines the timeless DNA of the SL with the extravagance of Maybach, creating a machine that is both breathtakingly beautiful and impossibly rare. At first glance, the exterior design leaves you in awe. It's low, wide, and sculpted with bold curves that flow effortlessly into sharp lines. The long hood, short rear deck, and exaggerated stance remind you of classic roadsters, but the detailing screams future elegance. The chrome Maybach grille dominates the front, paired with ultra-slim digital headlights that adapt seamlessly to conditions. On the sides, you get sweeping proportions with flush handles and diamond-cut Maybach alloys that elevate the design into a jewelry-like statement. The rear, with its integrated light bar and dual chrome exhausts, is subtle yet commanding. The 2026 Mythos series doesn't just sit on the road, it owns it. Step inside, and you're transported into a sanctuary unlike anything you've experienced. Mercedes Maybach has spared no expense in crafting an interior that feels more like a luxury lounge than a car. Diamond-stitched Napa leather, hand-finished wood veneers, brushed aluminum, and ambient lighting work in harmony to create an atmosphere of indulgence. The Mythos series also debuts a new level of personalization. Owners can select from exclusive Maybach design themes, rare materials, and even bespoke embroidery that ensures no two interiors are ever alike. Technology inside the SL Mythos is futuristic yet understated. The massive OLED infotainment screen dominates the dashboard but blends seamlessly into the handcrafted surfaces. Mercedes' latest MBUX Hyperscreen 2.0 provides intuitive controls, advanced AI voice assistance, and a level of personalization that makes the system adapt to your habits. Rear passengers, though it's a two-seater in spirit, are treated to Maybach-grade entertainment with immersive audio from a Burmester 4D surround system. Even the climate control uses sensors to detect body temperature and adjust airflow and heating individually for unmatched comfort. Now let's talk performance, because beneath all the opulence, the 2026 Maybach SL Mythos is still a machine designed to deliver thrills. Power comes from a handcrafted V12 engine, tuned to perfection and delivering close to 750 horsepower. This brute force allows the Mythos SL to sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 3.5 seconds while maintaining the smooth, effortless acceleration that Maybach owners expect. The transmission is silky, shifts are seamless, and the car feels like it glides across asphalt no matter the speed. To balance power with refinement, Mercedes has equipped it with the latest air suspension system, adaptive dampers, and rear-wheel steering, ensuring stability and comfort whether cruising down a boulevard or carving mountain roads. Safety and driver assist features are of course top tier. The Mythos series integrates next-generation autonomous driving functions, allowing owners to enjoy hands-free travel in suitable conditions. From adaptive cruise control to predictive collision avoidance, the SL Mythos is designed to make every journey not only luxurious but secure. What truly sets the 2026 Maybach SL Mythos apart is exclusivity. Mercedes has announced that the Mythos series will be produced in extremely limited numbers, reserved for select clientele. This isn't just about owning a luxury car, it's about owning a piece of automotive history. Each unit will carry a unique serial designation, making it not just a car but a collectible masterpiece for the ultra-elite. The price. While Mercedes hasn't officially announced figures, industry insiders estimate it will easily cross the multi-million-dollar mark. But to the individuals who will own one, money isn't the point. The SL Mythos is about status, identity, and the joy of possessing something that virtually no one else can. The 2026 Mercedes Maybach SL Mythos series is the ultimate marriage of timeless elegance and cutting-edge technology. It represents the pinnacle of what the brand stands for: luxury, exclusivity, and innovation. It's more than a car, it's a statement, a symbol of an era where engineering brilliance meets artistic mastery. For those fortunate enough to own one, the Mythos isn't just transportation, it's the ultimate expression of success. So, when you see the 2026 SL Mythos glide by, remember this isn't just a Maybach, and it's not just an SL. It's the birth of a legend, a machine destined to live in the history books as one of the greatest luxury cars ever built.